Hi, I'm Andy Stry with Diamond Coat Building Products. Today you will learn about Rigid Shake and see best practices for proper installation. Rigid Shake is a product manufactured by Diamond Coat Building Products, built on LP SmartSide. Rigid Shake is produced under strict third-party guidelines of the American Engineered Wood Association and is grade stamped with the coveted APA logo, so you can be assured it's designed to last. Rigid Shake is backed by the 550 LP SmartSide substrate warranty, which includes a limited coverage for hail damage. Use Rigid Shake to accent walls or add texture to your entire home.
Rigid Shake incorporates the same heavy-duty spline as the Rigid Stack lap siding. This allows for faster installations and a tighter overlap for extreme strength against wind and wavy walls. The nailing line promotes proper fastener placement and keeps blind nails hidden. Rigid Shake is 4 feet long and has shiplap ends to hide seams and eliminate the need for H-moldings. Deep rain lines enhance the definition and keep a random configuration for a natural cedar shake look. You won't have to spend time installing all the small drop pieces and touch-up painting nail heads like with other shakes. With our one-piece design, installations are quicker. Let's take a look at all the options.
Staggered edge rigid shakes and straight edge rigid shakes are available in 7-inch, 9-inch, and 12-inch sizes. As you can see, the 7-inch and 9-inch profiles are a busier design with 8 shakes in 4 feet versus the 6 shakes per 4 foot of the 12-inch profile. All of these features and options are protected with the exclusive Diamond Coat finish, offering the industry-leading 30-year no-fade warranty. All this will show up to your job site saying clean and dry thanks to our convenient weather-resistant packaging. Now let's take a look at how easy the rigid shakes are to install. To get started, rigid shake must be installed over a nailable sheathing, whether that be OSB, plywood, or board sheathing. We've organized our material list using our contractor checklist that you can find online.
Here are some of the tools that you'll need to install Rigid Shake. You'll also need hot-dipped galvanized or stainless steel ring shake nails with a full round head and a 2-inch minimum length.
It is important to select the proper starter for your application. Let's take a look at the best options.
The easiest way is to simply overlap the previous siding course. This works with all Rigid Shake options. If you're not beginning the installation overlapping siding, for straight edge Rigid Shake, use the metal Rigid Stack starter strip. For staggered edge Rigid Shake, the preferred way to begin is to first install a row of straight edge shakes, then the remaining rows of staggered shakes.
Do not cut off the bottom factory end of the staggered shakes to start a straight row. This practice will void the substrate warranty.
If you choose not to install a course of straight edge Rigid Shake to start your staggered edge installations, a last option would be to begin with a ripped piece of lap siding as your starter. Let's follow these steps to create this starter. Strip the spline from a piece of Rigid Stack lap siding. Set your table saw to a 30-degree beveled angle. Rip it to a width of 2 1/16 inches. After cutting it to length, touch-up paint all cut ends and rips. A proper 6-inch minimum clearance from the ground must always be maintained. The shake panel will overlap the PVC starter board lip, but the spline will not seat completely onto the starter board. This is acceptable. Because of this, the starter board can only be used to start straight edge Rigid Shake. Shown here are the proper gapping requirements. Maintain 3/8 inch off of flashings such as drip cap and brick ledges, 1 inch off of hard surfaces that includes decking, driveways, and roof lines, and 6 inches off of finished grade such as grass, mulch, or dirt. To set elevations, mark lines with mock-ups that factor in the 3/8 inch gap off of flashings. Do this for both sides. Snap a chalk line between the marks. Use an angle finder to record the angle of the gable. Measure the length for the Rigid Stack metal starter strip. And cut to length. Level and fasten the metal starter strip with hand nails every 12 to 16 inches. Cut the angle on the left-hand side of the first shake. Best practice is to paint all cut edges. Install the straight edge course onto the starter and slide it to the wall, leaving a 3/16 inch gap between the soffit or trims. Butt joint seams are not required to land on studs. This saves time and reduces waste. Fasten through the nailing line 3/4 of an inch down from the top, every 8 inches on center with ring shank nails. Do not place fasteners into the bottom of grooves or shiplaps. Continue the row working left to right. Overlap shiplap butt ends without any gap. Once the first row of straight edge shakes are complete, subsequent courses of staggered edge shakes can now be installed. Be sure to offset all rows by trimming the second course 16 inches shorter than the first, and the third course 32 inches shorter than the first. This maintains a staggered appearance and keeps rain lines from lining up. Repeat this same sequence every 3 courses. Another advantage of the rigid shake spline is that it can reduce the amount of face nails required to hold the angled cut ends tight. This keeps face nails to a minimum and greatly reduces touch-ups. It may be necessary to remove the spline on the last piece to complete a gable installation. This is acceptable and does not void any warranty. You'll need to face nail the last piece anyhow. Just touch them up. Finish the job by applying sealant, and you're done.
Now you can see how easy it is to create a shake look. Rigid Stack is designed to perform against high winds, hold tighter to wavy walls, and keep looking great for years to come. To view a full copy of our application guideline or for more information, connect with us online. Thank you for watching.